There are a number of reasons why one would want to start their own small barbecue business. However, to me, it has been fairly clear from the start. Here are my motivations, which I've retained for several years now, since I began. Self-motivation. I'm of a self-motivated character. I find motivation from my own tasks, not those prescribed to me by others. This leads me to my next point: freedom. When running your own business, it can be focused on the niche that suits you. You don't need to sell someone else's company, but a company that depicts you as an individual. This is much easier and actually helps to create motivation as you are selling something that is yours, which you believe in. Pay. It goes without saying that being at the top of any business pays more than lower positions. That doesn't mean you'll make a living from the first week. In fact, in most cases, it takes around 18 months. However, it does offer a degree of financial security and a pay that you can adjudicate at times. That said, owning a business can be stressful, and the business itself can be volatile. Leading. Some people love to lead and dread responding to another party. This ties in with freedom in some respects. However, it stretches beyond that. I personally love to lead others. Creating direction and guiding others is preferred and comes more naturally to me. As a result, I prefer to do this, which is characteristic of having your own business. There are various, less important reasons. However, there are my primary factors, which keep me from ever second-guessing my decision to run my own business. Starting a small barbecue business sounds appealing, doesn't it? You get to be your own boss, do what you love, and work your own hours. But there are things you need to ask yourself, which you may not think about in the moment. Ask yourself, why do I want to start a small barbecue business? This may seem obvious, but sometimes we want to start a business without even thinking about the why. What sparked your business idea, and is it something you are extremely passionate about doing? 16. Can this business idea make me money now and in the future? If the answer is no, then you may want to reconsider. You don't want to pursue a business idea for it to cost you more than what you make. Yes, money isn't the most important factor. It is the outcome, but it is your responsibility to ensure the business has financial viability. 15. Who is my target audience for my small barbecue business? You need to tailor your business to a specific target audience. This will be helpful when you are advertising and marketing your business to a niche audience and producing products that they would consume. You need to remember your business cannot be for anyone and everyone. Find a niche market and focus on them, as this will lead to financial rewards later on. 14. Who are my competitors? Usually the business idea you have come up with exists somewhere out there. There may even be several variations of your business already. So it is important to research other businesses similar to yours and see what yours can offer that makes you stand out. Analyze competitors, see how they interact with customers online, how they present their products, and how strong their brand is. 13. What is your unique selling point? Identifying your competitors allows you to identify your unique selling point. Ask yourself, what makes your business more special? How is it different from the other competitors out there? 12. How will I market my business? You need to market to your niche audience. By having the best marketing strategy, it is more likely your business website and social media will be seen by the desired target audience, which will increase traffic and sales. 11. How will I price my products? You don't want overpriced, but you don't want to price your products too low. This is where research comes in handy, as you want to look at what your competitors price their products at. Are your items the same, more luxurious, or more simple? You also want to take into consideration the packaging and postage costs, as well as maintaining the business overall. Where do you fit in the market for your target consumers? 10. Do I have the funds to start this business? Before you begin making money, you need to put money into your business to start it up. So before beginning, The best thing to do is produce a list of all the things you'll have to buy before you can officially launch your business. These may include registering your company name, a website, the product itself or service creation, packaging, labels, money towards advertising and marketing. These are only a few things to consider, but only buy what you absolutely need, not what you'd ideally want. These will follow as your business grows. 9. Am I extremely motivated and passionate? It is easy to say you want to have your own business, but do you see yourself doing this for a while? Are you extremely passionate about this business idea and motivated that you will work on it consistently until it grows? 8. Can I do this alone? You need to reflect on the team you need. Will you be able to manage this business completely by yourself? Or do you need others that you would be able to rely on to help you throughout your journey? Maintaining a business by yourself is not easy, and so you may want to consider having someone by your side that is as motivated and passionate about the business, or joining a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. 7. How many employees will I need? So you'll be starting this business solo or with a business partner, but you also want to consider how many employees you will need as the time goes on. This is important to consider if you are beginning a business with the idea that it will scale up in the future and require a team for growth. Or if you have chosen a company of one, how many people do you need to make it efficient? 6. What resources do I already have? You might get ahead of yourself and think about what you don't have, but ask yourself, what do you already have? Make sure to utilize the resources already available, which can save you money and time. 5. Are you ready to invest your time in this business? Managing a business takes a lot of time, money, and energy in order for it to be successful. So you want to make sure you are in a good place in your life to begin a business. You also need to be prepared to take a lot of risks and sacrifices to make the business work. 4. How will I set up the legal structure of my business? It is important to research the legal structure of your business, depending on the product or service you will be selling. Make sure you have chosen the legal structure that secures your business and protects you. 3. What kind of taxes do I have to pay? These are also the type of questions you will need to be thinking about when you begin your business. As it will be considered your job, it is a legal requirement that you state how much you earn and therefore be taxed by the government. So, this is an important part of research when you are starting a business. 2. What are my goals? Yes, you want to start your business, but what are your goals with it? Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years' time? These are some thoughts to have before you begin. It is important you see your business as a long-term goal where one day you will make your income from your business alone. 1. When will I be ready to start? Make a plan of an ideal date you want to launch your business and work towards it. Be realistic about your launch date and plan accordingly. There are so many questions you need to ask yourself as you get started. Good luck, and remember, fall in love with your business idea and watch it grow, as well as making sure to plan ahead.